Okay, I gotta start this somewhere. Today is September 11th, 2022, 13:38 in the afternoon, and I'm just showing you the date and time on my cell phone because that's how I do it. Alright, so this is an unboxing video of that right there, which is well, let me show you first before I do that. Let me get this, let me move the tripod just a little bit, and I want to show you this. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. So here is a Sanyo M79. No, wait. A Sanyo M79. Can't remember. M7790. There we go. This is the one I've had. This is a very clean one, and it's running on batteries. Right. I just want to play it briefly.
Northern California next month, featuring the likes of Muse.
Flip it over to the tape, and then you get your tape out of your other machine because that's where you put it, and you hit eject, and you drop that in, and you hit play, and nothing happens. Okay. Alright, well, it was working a moment ago in the other tape player, and the pause is on. Okay. There we go. Right. I'm not going to go through all the features of this and that, but there's that one, right? And here's the one I just repaired yesterday. I actually repaired it a week ago, but one of the speakers went out, and so I replaced it with different speakers, which fit. Alright, so let me put this in here, because one speaker blew out because the speaker is very old, and this is a very, anyway, just let me play this. And we do have a FM mute, so anyway, it's got FM mute, and so it all works. Okay, so wait, I put it back like that. So in case I don't, okay, so that works. Let me hit stop, and this one again is running on batteries. All right. Okay, so let me just put this over here, and let me, okay, so now I've played those two. Alright, great. So now, let me take this thing and just move the whole camera over here. It's a lot simpler. Alright, shine this on the screen. Alright. I won this one here. This is a, what is this? This is a Toshiba RTSF10. So then I won this. That's what I'm going to unbox. But I won this, and anyway, it's just, I have too many things, and I can't remember where they all are. So I went searching online, and I put that into, Google, and I came out with it. There was a video. And it's like, well, look at that. I actually unboxed one of these. Here's a silver one right there. Okay, so I already have one. Why in the world did I buy a second one? I don't know. I just have a thing for Toshibas. Alright? So much for that. So then I went, what was that? The last I want to show, oh, then here. Here's a picture of what one would look like if you were to get one boxed. Alright, so just pictures I took, and then here's the specifications of it. So it's got pretty good specifications, 60 to 13K on metal tape if it had it. And anyway, so that's okay, so now let me just, alright, fine, enough of that. So having too much fun here. So now I had to go find those, the original one, and they were in this plastic container here. So, let's see, can I see myself? Yeah, okay. So here's some batteries, and here is this here, and here is my Toshiba, no, that's a Sony, wait. And here's a, is this it? That's the, that's a D33. Oh wait, oh, it has a click sound. Okay, that's not even what I'm looking for. Here it is. Okay, here is the Toshiba with the twin speakers, and the door fell off, and that's about all I know about this. I didn't even take it apart, I don't think. Because I did take apart, here's that. Because I did take apart this Victor, which didn't work. And then here's this other thing which did work. Alright. And anyway, and then what else we have? We have this Sony Walkman dual speaker thing. And we have this triple speaker Panasonic. Alright. And that's pretty much it that's in this box. So, but I had to go find that. So now without further ado, I want to get my scissors and unbox this thing here, which I already had one of, like I just showed you, and played the music. So, okay. So here's this, and there's that. So, yeah, it's in a nice green package. And, nothing else in there, right? Here is, so, well, so, yeah. And according to the listing, I don't expect this to work, but, uh-oh. Well, shucks. Okay. Well, the handle, I guess that just snaps in place. All right. Yeah, so, okay, great. So that just, well, we'll figure that out later. It's just a plastic pin that holds that on there, but at least this is in better condition. Oh great, so it's in very good clean condition. Well, here, let me just get up here. I didn't bring my remote into here, so here it is, looks like that. Okay, this thing will focus. Alright, looks like that. This here, that on top, this end, I don't know if it focuses or not, but, and then it's just that end, and the bottom, okay, and if you open it, oops, you can see that in there, okay, so, and of course the all-important battery compartment. Alright, great, well, okay, so the battery compartment, which they didn't show in the pictures too terribly well, but there's the battery compartment. Okay, so I need 4 brand new AA batteries here. So let's get those out. Okay, so now let's go and, well, we'll just do it right here. Why not? Okay, so, okay, well, guessing that this doesn't show. See, does it show on here? No. Okay, it shows on the back, so this is great. So this will be that one there, and this one here, and so then what? Down, okay. Down, alright, and then up. Okay. Then so now, theoretically, we turn this on. It's on radio already. Should be able to tune it. Well, it's got power. It's got battery. It's got that. Where's the volume on here? Okay, so volume. Okay, so well, I can hear the motor running. Okay. I'll let you see it. It's powered up. It's got the two little indicator lights, but it's not doing anything. And you can hear it running or not. The heck. Let's see here. Well, I can hear the motor running. Let's see, is the capstan running? Nothing's running. Okay, well, the motor's still running, or at least I hear still some kind of sound, but no, the motor's running now. Okay. But there's no sound, alright? So let's try, this can record, right? So if we open it up and see, the cassette goes in there, so this would be the recording thing. So let's hit record with holding the finger up with my finger. Where's the record button? Okay, this, that, stop. Hup. This is how you actuate the recording bar switch. Say that it has one and hasn't been played in a long time to hopefully get the sound out of the radio. I've done that many times here. Let's close this. And it's on tape, radio, tape, radio. Okay, now I've got some sound, very faint. Very faint. Yeah, very faint. Well, let's see here. Tone, high, low. Okay. Let me put the camera up here. Oh God, I'm about to cramp. Okay, I gotta stand up. Alright, so. Can you hear that? So it does have some sound to it, it's just very faint. So I slowly tune it back and forth across some station. Anyway, that's all we know. And if we hit the play button, let's see, put it back to, oh, it don't matter, just hit play. You hear that? So it does work. The radio works, but there's no sound, so it probably needs to have the everything cleaned, and even after I clean everything it might be still, who knows. Okay, but there it is. That's my mini review of this. This is in a lot better condition than the other one, which is, anyway. So we will we turned it off. I don't hear any sound. I turned off the switch on the top here, so it's not giving any sound whatsoever now. So it's just something to take it apart and see if I can clean it and make it work and all that. So I'll end this here and say good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Just okay. Well, this is okay. So yeah. So just set that down here, and here I know what I can do. Go back to handheld, and okay. So now, so when I take apart this one, right? Wait, flip this around so you can see. I take apart this one, and we get this other one here with the lid. We can maybe make them both work. All right. So anyway, I wish I had known that I had already had one. I just never got around to trying to repair that one. All right. So that's all I know. So good day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye bye.